Hello friends, so is your check engine light on with code P0466? If your car is showing this code, you might experience fuel vapor leaks, rough idling, or even failed emissions tests. Yeah, it's not something you want to ignore. In this video, I'll explain what P0466 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0466? The P0466 code stands for Purge Flow Sensor Circuit Range/Performance. It's a bit of a mouthful, but we'll break it down for you. So, your car's Evaporative Emission Control system, or EVAP, is actually responsible for capturing and recycling fuel vapors in order to reduce emissions. The Purge Flow Sensor, well, it keeps track of how much vapor is being sent to the engine. Now, a P0466 error basically means the sensor is detecting an incorrect flow or maybe a malfunction, which can lead to fuel vapor escaping into the atmosphere, or, it might start affecting your engine's performance. Here are some common symptoms of P0466. The check engine light comes on. You might notice a strong fuel smell around your vehicle. There could be rough idling or poor acceleration. You might even fail an emissions test. And, well, you'll probably see reduced fuel efficiency too. Hey, just so you know, ignoring this issue could lead to increased emissions and engine inefficiency. Alright, so, where do you actually find these parts? To diagnose P0466, you'll need to locate these key components. The purge flow sensor is usually found near the EVAP purge valve, on or near the intake manifold. Its job is to measure the flow of fuel vapors. The EVAP purge valve, also called the purge solenoid, is located between the fuel tank and the intake manifold. It controls vapor flow from the charcoal canister. The EVAP canister, sometimes called the charcoal canister, is located near the fuel tank and sometimes under the rear of the vehicle. It stores fuel vapors before they're burned in the engine. The ECU, or engine control unit, communicates with the purge flow sensor and manages the EVAP system. Alright, here's a quick tip for all the DIYers out there. The purge flow sensor is usually located near the intake manifold or throttle body. Just make sure to check your vehicle's service manual for the exact placement, since it can vary a bit from model to model. Now let's take a look at some of the most common causes of that P0466 code. First up, a faulty purge flow sensor. Basically, if the sensor goes bad, it can send incorrect or even no data at all to the ECU, which can definitely trigger the code. Second, damaged or loose wiring, corroded or disconnected wires can interrupt signals. Third, a faulty purge valve, whether the solenoid is stuck open or closed. If the purge valve doesn't operate correctly, the sensor may detect improper flow. Fourth, vacuum leaks in the EVAP system. Cracked hoses or loose connections can trigger the code. Sometimes you might run into an ECU malfunction, which is a pretty rare issue. This is when the engine control unit, or ECU, actually misreads the sensor data. So let's talk about how to fix that P0466 code. First up, you want to use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0466 code. It's a simple but important first step. Okay, step 2 is to inspect the purge flow sensor and its wiring. You'll want to look for any damaged wires or loose connectors. Next up, step 3 is to check the EVAP purge valve. Go ahead and remove it, and then test if it's functioning correctly. Now for step 4, test the purge flow sensor. You'll need to use a multimeter to check both voltage and resistance. Okay, so step 5 is to inspect for vacuum leaks. You want to look for any cracked EVAP hoses or loose connections. And now step 6, replace faulty parts. If the sensor or purge valve is bad, you'll need to replace them. Okay, so step 7 is to clear the code and take the car for a test drive. You'll want to reset the ECU and see if the issue comes back. Alright, just to wrap things up, the P0466 code is usually caused by a faulty Purge Flow Sensor wiring problems, or sometimes even vacuum leaks. Fixing this issue not only helps your car run smoother, but also gives you better fuel efficiency, and reduces emissions. If you found this guide helpful, and you want to dive into more car troubleshooting, check out these videos next. P0206, which covers injector circuit malfunction for cylinder 6, and P0207 for cylinder 7. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for even more car repair tips.